To spend money on the Cash App, you can use it to make purchases in store or online, or send funds to someone else. The money on the Cash App can be utilized to buy goods, and it's also possible to transfer it to another person. To pay in store, open the Cash App, navigate to the Payments tab, and tap on the QR scanner in the top left corner. Then, scan the QR code during checkout after making a purchase. Confirm the payment, and the transaction is complete. For online payments, select the Cash App as the payment method during checkout, and you will be directed to the app to complete the payment. To send money to someone, open the app, tap on the $sign, enter the amount, and tap Pay. Include the recipient's phone number or email, and tap Pay again to send the money. The process is straightforward, making it easy to spend money on the Cash App.